AssetWhere Facilities Management includes a contractor management component, really supporting schools to easily manage their contractors. So let's have a look. I've come into AssetWhere FM and you can see the contractor management pane. I can view the list, I can review the insurances, etc. So if I click on the list, I can see all of the contractors that have access to the buildings. And I can filter this and export this list if I need to. So when I scroll down now, I can select the HFM contractor. So when I click on that, I can see that one certificate has been uploaded and is waiting for the school's approval. I can get key details about the contractor there on the screen, and I can also view those employees who have logins to the AssetWhere system, and I can see what buildings they have specific access to and the types of jobs that they could be given here. I also have access to their insurances, their professional indemnity, public liability, workers' comp, and you can also upload working with children certificates in areas where contractors may be working near students. And you can also add and suspend accounts. And right down the bottom here, I can see all of the actual insurance documents attached to this contractor. So now when I come back to the main contractor pane list, so I click once on home and here it is. And now I can navigate and review the insurances. So I don't have to go into every contractor. I can come to this section and review the insurances that are awaiting for approval, or alternatively, I can decline them and I can also review the individual documents attached.